Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SF with AK. This is Aman Kumar and I'm a 99 certified Salesforce developer. Today we will talk about Dreamforce. So if you're heading to Dreamforce for the first time, this is your quick guide to getting the most out of it, especially if you are a Salesforce admin or a developer. Dreamforce is just not a tech conference. It's where Salesforce launches its biggest updates and your best chance to connect with people from all over the world, MVPs, trailblazers, and product teams. This year it will be agentic enterprise, which means AI plus trust and data and automations are going to take the center stage. Let's break it down by what we will going to discuss today. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how you can plan your days ahead for the 3 day event and how you can plan everything in advance. So we will be checking the sessions that you can book in advance, and you can add that to your calendar so that you keep a notification where to go and which session to attend, and you have a UI for that. And for this, we will be using Agenda Builder, where you can go and check all the sessions and choose the sessions that you want to attend, and will not allow you to overlap the sessions, so you can know which session will be, at the same time, and you which one to prioritize that you can attend. And at the end, I will be talking about how you can book a free certification to be, attend at the Dreamforce event itself. So I will be putting the links of all the sessions and Agenda Builder in the description. You can directly go from there. So for this session, let's go to the Agenda Builder. So this is Agenda Builder where I can see all the sessions, and I have all kinds of filters here. Like I can filter out by based on community or role or industry or product or topic or even session type. If it's activity or it's a breakout or certification session, or we have hands-on training, we have keynotes and everything. Then we have the filter for session level, like it's beginner or intermediate or advanced. And also, if you want to filter out based on the location, you can do that as well. We have all the locations here. You can filter these out. Let's start with the admin sessions. Which sessions are good, or I would recommend for admins, and that you can definitely go and attend. So the first one is the admin keynote, where you will be talking about the agentic experience, and you will learning about how to build and customize the agents, configure the platform, and keep every solution trusted and secure. So the session will be delivered by Kate, Mike, Lisa, Gillian, and Tian. That you can, these are good speakers that I can vouch for. I have heard them before, so I hope it will be pretty helpful and it will be, amazing. The next session that you can attend is navigating flow errors as a new admin. So you, as you and I mean, we get multiple times errors in flows. So how you can handle those errors in a flow, and how can debug it? How can build better flows with better quality? And the session will be delivered by David Simpson. So I will suggest that you definitely go and attend this session. It will be pretty helpful as a admin developer. I love flows, so I will definitely attend this session. The next one is automating Slack and Salesforce. So Slack and Salesforce are two different tools, but they connect very well with each other. And Salesforce flows and Slack workflows are very easy to use and can communicate with each other. And you can build something great with both the tools. I have done the integration multiple times, and I will be definitely going to the session. And the session will be delivered by Jim Ray and Jennifer Lee. So I would suggest you should also attend the session. And the third session that I would recommend for admins is the add human in the loop capabilities in your flow and agents. So in this session, they will be discussing about how we can use flow approval process, which is a new feature from Salesforce, and you can use agents and flow approval process together, and it's out of box approval process that you will be using. And I think it will be amazing because it's a new feature that I haven't explored that much yet. So I'll definitely be going to this session. Then for the developers, I would suggest that developer keynote will be one of the sessions that you can definitely attend. So in developer keynote, they will be talking about the new things that they will be leading for developers, and how you can build your agent via the code, and how you can configure the agent. There will be multiple speakers, and I can say it will be an amazing session. So you should definitely attend it if you're a developer. And the next session that you can attend as a developer would be Advanced Apex Best Practices. So for a developer, we use Apex, regularly, and to know the best practices of Apex is very important. Building a code is not that much of a problem, but building the code with best practices, that's what makes it us apart. So you should always use best practices, and in this session they will be discussing about that and how you can use the best practices to build your code and how it helps. The next session is how you can build future-proof apps with Apex Enterprise patterns. So I'm new to enterprise patterns, but I will definitely go and see what the enterprise pattern is, how they will be using this, and they will be discussing about how to reduce the technical debt, how to build a scalable solution. So I think it will be an amazing session for developers to go. And then there's one session for LWC component. They can definitely go and check better Lightning Web components. So in that they will be discussing about how you can build better, LWC components, how about life cycle of the LWC component, and how you can use this in a real life scenario. So I think that will be amazing. And at the end, there will be one for Intro to Salesforce APIs. This session is mainly for the beginners, where they will be talking about how to connect to two different platforms. They will be using the REST APIs, SOAP APIs. They will be explaining the APIs, how to use that. And I think for beginner developers, it will be an amazing session where you can start and start connecting the platforms. Well, now let's go to the agenda builder and see the certification, how you can book it. So for that, when you go to Agenda Builder, you will have this checked for you because it's recommended session for you that will be from your profile level. So we'll uncheck this, and then we'll go to session type. In session type, we have certification. So if you see, there are four, sorry, there are 4 days. On 13th, you cannot book a session. It's open only. That means I think that's my understanding that it will just walk in. You can just go and attend the certification. But on 14th, you have two options to book the session at 12:30 p.m. or at 3:30 p.m. Similarly, on 15th as well, you have two options to book at 8 a.m. or 11 a.m. And on the 16th, you have two sessions, 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. and another one at 2 p.m. So I have reserved this session for me. So I will be going to this session or taking the certificate at 2 p.m. So I hope I will see you there. That's all from my side. But the last point is, so I think most of the sessions will be available on your app. This is called Salesforce Events app. So if you not downloaded that, I would suggest you download that app, and in that you will be able to see all the sessions. You can just build the agenda in Agenda Builder. So you build the agenda using this, and go to My Agenda. You will be able to see all the sessions that you have bookmarked or selected, and it will be in a calendar that you can definitely see which times are there, if you have time between the sessions or not, and it will be easier for you to use this in event app. So Salesforce Events app is a pretty good app that I have used in the past as well for the different sessions. And I think it will be needed when you are in the Dreamforce event. So it will be useful for that. So do get it downloaded from your Play Store or App Store. And well, that's everything from my side. I hope I will see you there. Thank you.